welcome back to Ellie Jesse's Fun Toy Videos. Subscribe. Today I'm showing you my Instax Mini 9 camera. So here's the film. Natalie got it for me, Daddy's friend. So let's put the film in and then we'll take a picture.
We've already put the batteries in.
And Mummy already opened it to see where it goes.
So the yellow line has to line up with that yellow line. Yeah, and once you shut it, you can't open it again because it'll ruin the film. So you can shut it up. Yeah.
And then to open it, we press this button.
But
And I'm going to take a picture.
you have to turn it on first.
So how do I...
So that button up there is the button to turn it on. And take a picture. And this is how they come out. So put it down. So it comes out like that. And I don't know what we have to do, but we'll wait and see what happens.
Now
Just leave it, buddy.
Now let's take a picture of Jessie. Cheese.
And how do you do selfies, Elle?
There is a selfie mirror there. So like this.
Wait, you got to put the close-up lens on.
This is the close-up thing. So we're gonna have to put it here.
Don't touch, buddy.
We put it there. I've done it before. And then I press this button again. And then I'll take a selfie.
Can you see yourself in the mirror?
So here comes it. There's 10
So our first picture.
of Jessie is there, but the second picture is still coming up.
And what they said in the instructions is that if it's a bit white, you'll need to adjust the settings because we had it set to indoor.
And it's raining outside.
We had it set to the indoor one, but the light's on and it's pretty bright. So what we're thinking is we might have to move it down one. Do you want to show them how you move it?
So
Or Jessie will get a go next.
I think we have to move it down to there.
No, maybe just two down. So let's.
Put it on sun. So let's see if it's better. Here it comes.
So we'll put it down and we'll come back and see how
First,
it goes.
second, and third.
Is it funny, Jessie?
Yeah.
That
And
second one's not doing much, and so Jessie wants to do a selfie of himself. So let's see, and it just comes out the side. Don't pull it.
We might have to move these pictures over.
So Jessie's one keeps getting brighter and brighter, which is a bit adorable. And Ellie's is a bit dark, so we might have to turn it up back to the indoor maybe. Yeah. We'll see if that makes a difference. Ellie's selfie is starting to come out. See the similarity?
Now I'm going
This
to
one's
take a
going to
picture.
start. Oh, and Mummy took this one, and it's starting to come through. My cute little kid.
So I'm going to take a picture of mine. Look at what it's getting. And then I'll show you.
So the film's
We
pretty
only have 3
expensive.
more pictures to take and then we're out of film.
Oh, and it's pretty expensive. Like, for 10 of these it was $15. So that's a lot of money.
Here's Mummy coming up.
Oh, yay.
This is her with her hair out.
You can't see it very well, which is a good thing. These ones are looking pretty cute. Look at my Els and Jess. Ah, look at them loving each other.
The brightest is that.
So, overall, it's pretty cool. Really easy to use. Jessie can use it.
And these ones.
Expensive. The photos are expensive.
Where's it coming?
Jessie's going to snap away. He'd waste heaps. Don't pull it though, Els.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 more pictures and then.
Ellie's last photo, and she's doing a selfie.
Of course, a selfie.
Ellie loves selfies.
Here's one coming out.
It does have show at the front where it's got the selfie mirror, so you can actually see. Yeah, so you can actually see before you do a selfie. So that's pretty cool. So what do you guys think of it?
Good. No more film.
And then you just take it out.
How?
You just got to be really careful that you don't open it when there's film left, because it'll ruin all the film. But there's none left, so it's all good. How are they going?
Jessie messed that one up.
Jessie did a selfie
And that
as
was
well.
that was my second last one. And I did a picture of the ride, which wasn't funny.
And what is really cool is you can get photo albums that are especially for this. So all your photos, you put them in an album. So you're not just taking it and wasting it. You're actually doing something with it. Which one's that?
There's Mum.
Oh, there I am in my pajamas.
I'm in my pajamas. Who wants to see this?
Ellie's in her pajamas.
Whoever likes the Trolls movie would love this. And my cousin Sophie has the same.
Yeah.
Whoever likes Spider-Man.
My spider boy.
Oh.
Alright, so out of that, we had a couple of failures, but
Like
it was good fun.
this one and this one and this one and this one. Half waste.
Good fun.
Here's
Don't know
the
if it's
film.
worth the money. Alright, what do you have to say now?
Bye guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.